All right, what's going on, guys? I'm like currently just on the charts, So, um, I just entered into a trade just now, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get to this point right here. So how did I get that? So I'm gonna go start out with a higher time frame, and I don't really look at the higher time frame for this trade at all. On the day, I see a downtrend, right? Um, I see a downtrend on the daily. That's not really what I was looking at. Let's look at page 4. It's just, okay, I see point A, point B on this trend line, and then from there, breaking through. Let me go to the 2-hour. What I see here, what's going on? What I saw here, it hit right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Broke through this point right here, right? I mean, it broke through right here, starting to push down, but I just believe, I guess it's just like a confidence trade, right? I just believe that this, mind you, is forming a flag pattern, right? Boom. And it's just pushing up too hard for me not to think that it's going to go to this level of resistance right here. So I just, I entered it on a buy on a really low lot size, and then from there, I just see it getting to this point right here. So let's see if it does it. This is mostly a confidence trade. So let's see what happens with this GJ.